Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So how to install Opera browser in Windows 11. So firstly open any browser, so download. So I open the Chrome browser, then type Opera browser. You can type download. Scroll down. This is actually add. So I don't like to install this link. So I want to link Opera browser link and then click. Do accept your cookies if you want, and then click to download Opera. So giving installations download the setup. So finally this is installed, and then click to open, run, and then accept. So guys, be careful because the some free VPNs and free apps has coming automatically, and if you don't know, so please read all term and conditions. You when accepting all conditions, so you read properly and then accept. This browser actually very light browser. You can use if you have a low configuration, so you use this browser, use very low CPU, RAM and memories. So finally install. Yeah, so this is install. Okay guys, thank you. Take care. Have an issue, please comment me, I will support you.